Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today, we're playing a game called Sharpen Blade. I quite like the game. I started it today and I'm already set 5. Yeah, so let's play. I was bored and I had no idea what to do. So I decided to make a YouTube video because one, I haven't made a YouTube video in about 3 weeks. Because I've been busy and stuff with that, but it's not necessary. All it is that I'm back and I'm recording videos now. It's been like a few months that I recorded a video. And I felt like I needed to record a video. So now I'm doing a video. Yeah. I'm bad at this game. I mess things up on purpose so I can just restart. Okay. So, yeah. The last video I filmed, I think, was my recipes one. I might start a new series on how to cook certain foods and stuff like that. Like dinner foods, pancakes, desserts, breakfasts, all that type of stuff. So, yeah. I might make a few silly videos and all that type of stuff. You know, usual Linkaria production style. Yeah. I think I messed up on the blade a bit. It's not as straight as it is supposed to be up in the thing. I don't want an upgrade. No. So, yeah. I'm really sorry I haven't really been recording and all that type of stuff. 92. I think it deserves 92. It's really bad. So, yeah. Boom. We might get through a few today. We might not get through many. Yeah. I might do a part 2 of this once I've done this video and it's uploaded and all that type of stuff. You guys won't believe it, but it's actually really quick to upload videos. Like usually YouTube is like, oh, uploading's like really fast and uploading's really slow and all that type of stuff. But I actually have to disagree with that. I find it quite quick. So, yeah. Let's change. True style. I quite like my gems and stuff. Actually, I do quite a few rock hunting things and stuff, but yeah. Yeah. I might bring out another Head Wars soon. If you guys enjoyed that, I don't know how many views it got because I haven't checked up on my YouTube channel in over 3 weeks. Which is more than a month. And I'm kind of dead. I know that usually people like start panicking about the YouTuber that, like big YouTubers that haven't uploaded on their upload schedule, but me, I kind of just upload when I have ideas. Oh, I really messed up on this. Yeah, it's actually really true. I upload whenever I have ideas. If I don't have ideas, it's just going to have to wait. So, yeah. We might do one more and this video will be over. I do enjoy recording. It just takes a long time.
Level up.
Let's do this one last one and we'll be out. Oops. I went a bit overboard there. Oh dear. Yeah. Anyway, guys, that's a key done, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!